Hey, this is Ethan, and I'm going to be talking about my final Padlet. For my title page, I put a picture of me and my dog Leo when he was little. It's one of my favorite pictures I have of him. After this, we go into the biography, which we did at the beginning of the semester, which I used a picture of me at Disney World over the summer. And when you go in the biography, it describes a lot about myself. After this, we have the name tags that we had to create for class. We have the map. For the map, it was a goal map, and I had as my goal to win fantasy football. And the season isn't over yet, but it's about to be over, and I'll be in the playoffs, so we might accomplish our goal. Following this, we have Symbaloo, Digo, and Pinterest. All three of these are useful websites for staying organized and getting the websites quick. After that, we have the travel brochure that we worked on. For my travel brochure, I did Los Angeles, California, because I recently traveled there. And then also for the presentation, we did the same thing, Los Angeles, California. Following this, for my Google slideshow, I explained how to use the app Explain Everything. And then we have our blog, which I did on the U.S. men's national team for soccer. Following this, we have the group movie that me and Colin Oob were in a group together. And we went around asking our friends questions we thought they should know. Got some pretty funny responses. And then after that, we just have how I felt about Padlet. I thought Padlet was a really good website and it was really useful.